with the dog. You remember from the history, prehistory, when the dog was tamed from the wild. That was the time the coexistence between animal and human started.
Since then, human beings have become more attached to animals. Some are pets in their homes, and even those that are not get to share space with them. This is something that is worrying health experts.
About 1,500 pathogens, those are the germs that cause disease in human beings. 60% of them cause disease in animals. We also know that some diseases like tuberculosis in animals can cause disease in man. And also tuberculosis from man can affect cows.
There are studies being done that have found that there are jiggers in animals. These animals we keep, that we sleep with in the same hut, we sleep with in the same house, have jiggers.
To the Uganda Veterinary Association and Uganda Medical Association, the time to integrate treatment of humans and animals is now.
Rather than the way we've been doing it, when we get an outbreak, we call for environmental health specialists. We get from the health and from the veterinary side. And so we want to make it more common and more known.
For these medics, treating animals before they infect humans is inexpensive compared to treating a diseased human.
For example, vaccination of dogs is 10 times less than vaccinating man. So instead of waiting until man gets rabies and you do the vaccination, why don't you vaccinate the dogs at a cheaper price?
In the first One Health conference that will be held here in Kampala next month, the two bodies will meet to discuss the integration of human and animal treatment.
The purpose of this collaboration is to join efforts to be able to identify, to prepare ourselves and be able to identify diseases before they emerge.
Of recent, we have been experiencing in this country Ebola and Marburg. Where does the question you always ask, where did the first person get Ebola or Marburg from? You understand? And we are always saying, perhaps from wild animals, the monkeys, etc.
This, it is believed, will also see the eradication of such diseases. But experts also say the activities of man, like the cutting down of trees, exposes them to disease-causing insects like mosquitoes and makes sharing of land with animals easier. Florence Nalimba, NTV.